Hi, it's Chris and Betsy here from As We Go. And last May of 2018, we were on the Oregon coast. And so we invite you to join us as we go and visit Heceta Head Light. To Heceta Head, you come in underneath this awesome bridge. You'll come just before it, just after it is the entrance. You come down and around. There's no RV parking in this section. If you got your RV, you're definitely going to want to park out where the RV parking is. So here's a tip. If you do come here to take the Lighthouse Trail, you have to get your day pass for the day use fee in this cute little machine. Here's the catch. It did not take cash today. Chris had to use...
It's all blocked off.
It's all blocked off. You can't use cash. You gotta use your credit card, so make sure you've got that with you. And so, here we go. We'll take our hike up the Lighthouse Trail. It's only a half mile. And no remote controlled aircraft. So any of you drone buffs out there, yeah, you're out of luck. You won't be able to use that. Sea lions, you hear them? But throughout our travels, no matter where we've been, there's always been a unique beauty to it, whether it's here on the Oregon coast at Florence and Heceta Head, Devil's Elbow State Park. This whole section here up at Cannon Beach has its own beauty. The desert has its own beauty, and there's even differences between the Arizona desert and New Mexico and Nevada that we were just through. They've all got their own unique beauties. I mean, we're definitely water people. We love being by salt water, but it's just been cool to experience all of that and all of the beauty of God's creation as we've traveled about the country so far. The Lighthouse Keeper's Cottage is now a bed and breakfast. And we walked past one of the oil houses where they used to store supplies. Later on, we were lucky and were able to watch some gray whales playing about in the water below the bluff, and then it was time for the tour.
So this was their workroom. They would have had a large desk, working desk, a large comfortable chair, a working fireplace. Originally we had kerosene and wicks, and you could see the light. If this is the beam coming out, this...
Heceta Head went into service in 1894 with a first order Fresnel lens. In 2011, the lighthouse underwent extensive renovation to take it back to the 1894 appearance. For the tour, we made a short hike up to the lighthouse viewpoint. Oh, and don't worry about the bear sign. They said they haven't seen any bears there in years, but you know, you gotta post that kind of stuff. But it was a nice little climb uphill, and we gained several more feet in elevation to get this view. At this point, we're about 225 feet above sea level, and we're able to look right at that beautiful Fresnel lens that the Heceta Head Light has. She flashes once every 10 seconds. That beam is visible 21 miles out at sea, and the Heceta Head Light is the only lighthouse in the U.S. that is still using this type of lens. Well, and like anything else, it was time to say goodbye, and so we began to make our way back down the trail, making our way back towards the parking lot. Had a couple of scenic views, got another nice view of the lighthouse. And then as we began to make our drive back down towards Florence, there was another overlook, so we pulled off into that and were able to look back and get another view of the lighthouse. And then bonus round, we heard and then were able to see the sea lions. Well, I sure hope you folks enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe too. And who knows, as we go, maybe someday we'll see you on the road. Safe travels.